My name is Zoran and welcome to a new episode. Today I'm going to show you how you can edit your fall photography in Adobe Lightroom and how you can actually create one preset that you can apply to a bunch of other photos and edit all other photos in just a few clicks. This is first photo. I would like to first adjust white balance called temperature to this photo, and since we are dealing with autumn photography and there should be more yellow, gold yellow, orange tones, and also in shadow we can expect more green and bluish colors. So I would make this picture a little bit more colder, like maybe this colder. Okay, let's put it 5600, so more cold, and tint would be more toward green. Let's put it on 0, so later we can change it a little bit. Exposure looks okay, but I would add more contrast to this photo. All these settings in the basic panel I would adjust later, tweak a little bit later, but now I would say, okay, let's put contrast on 30. Highlights, I would pull highlights on the left side because sky is blown and it's contrasty situation here. Shadows, I will put shadows on maybe 30. Whites, let's put more white on this picture, and the black let's put on -10. -10. Okay. I would like to add more clarity to this picture, just to put contrast in the edges. So clarity maybe 20. And vibrance also, I want to enhance these beautiful colors and add more vibrance. I would say also 20. Saturation, leave it as it is. So we are done for now with this basic panel. I would like to add this radial filter to enhance our subject. So click on this radial filter, make some circle, and position this circle on your subject like I did. And now click on the bottom show selected mask overlay. So everything what you see red on this picture is area where adjustments are gonna be applied. So let's click here. I wanna do exposure adjustment, so click exposure. Oh, I'm sorry, I forgot to click this checkbox here to see what I'm doing. So exposure set to for example, -90. I would say 90. Now this area around my subject looks really dark, but I would later go and set exposure a little bit up. So click this and done, and I would set exposure and correct exposure to maybe 30. Now this looks okay. Next tool I'm going to use is adjustment brush. Click adjustment brush, and you can use your scroll wheel to set the size of your adjustment brush. Also, you can click show selected mask overlay to see what you're painting, and filter settings will be applied just on painted areas. So I'm painting my subject, and now I can turn this off and click on the custom and set what you want to change. I would like to add more sharpness to my subject, sharpness 25, 30 maybe. This looks okay. Click done, and then now while I'm in this area, I would like to crop this image a little bit. So keep my subject in the middle, like this. Yeah, that's right. Okay, let's make an S-curve. Go to tone curve and make a little S-curve here, just to add more contrast to our image. So this would look like this, probably. With, without, with, without. There's a lot of contrast of this image. I would lower my contrast on basic panel. And let's go further and adjust HSL colors on these photos. As I said, we want to enhance this yellow, orange colors, goldish colors, and I would like to set hue is going on yellow. So as you can see, these leaves are green, basically yellow green on my picture, and now they're going to be yellow and gold yellow brown, basically. So I would say -70. And orange, I do not touch much orange because we'll change color scheme, but we can adjust it a little bit. That's okay. And saturation, I would like to add saturation on yellow, maybe 20, and on blue also 20. So with, without, without. So as you can see, we have these brown leaves, beautiful river. And also I want to put some yellow in the highlights. So I would click here and choose some gold, yellow, orange. Okay, like this. And I would like to put it so let's increase it a little bit and see how this works. So 30, 40, let's say 40. Okay, and without, with, without, with. Lens correction, this is one thing I sometimes like to do. And vignetting, I would like to pull a little bit down, for example 50, not completely recover vignetting. So this is what we achieved. Our image stretched a little bit. Distortion is fixed, and then now we can go back and adjust what we want, our exposure maybe, and shadows, exposure a little bit down, white, and I think this is basically it. And also one thing I noticed is this purple fringing on this image. So I will also like to go to HSL color panel and click on saturation, find a purple and a lower saturation of purple. As you can see, we don't have purple anymore since nothing is purple in this image. All right, we edited our picture. Let's see how this picture looks before. This is before and this is after. All right, so we edited one picture. And now I'm going to show you how you can create your preset, apply this preset to other images, and bang, you already edit 5-10,000 pictures with one click, because you have basic to edit other photos. Now I'm going to show you how you can make a preset of this edit. So go to left panel, find preset, click this plus sign. Click plus, create preset, and you can name it, for example, Zoran Autumn preset 01. And group Zoki, that's okay. And you can choose what you want to include in this preset. I would say everything. Let's put everything beside exposure, and click create. you can see a preset on this left side, Zoki group and Zoki autumn preset 01. Let's open another picture and I will show you how to apply these presets. It's very easy. Click on another picture, find autumn preset, Zoran autumn preset 01. Click. Dang, you are done. Okay, let's see next picture. This is me standing on a rock with this beautiful forest behind me. And let's find Zoran autumn preset 01. For me, this picture looks too dark. I would lower the contrast a little bit, but before I would adjust shadows and exposure, set exposure a little bit up, shadows, and contrast is okay now, and a little bit more exposure, shadows. Let's resize this picture a little bit since I don't like this branch right on the left side. Click. Dang, we really have beautiful picture now. This is picture before and this is picture now with applied preset. Alright, this is how we edit our photos in autumn style and how to apply these changes to other photos with created preset, and you can now have these presets for all your other editing. And yeah, this is autumn style. If you like this video, please smash that subscribe button, like this video and share it with others. Also you can click this notification bell, and yeah, see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.